So brand new laptop. This one is technically like a business professional one. If you actually throw it back a couple years, like many years ago, Carl used to be a consultant, so I have a very soft spot for work-based laptops. This is the brand new ASUS ExpertBook Ultra. But the big thing around professional or work laptops mostly, it's not around, performance. You're not gonna be crunching 4K edits. You're not gonna be playing AAA titles, which I'll get to in a second. It's mostly around the build, how light it is. Does it work with your work-based apps? Like, does it run Teams? Does it run like Excel? Can you share slides? Can you run meetings off of it? Does it work for work? So there's actually a lot to love around this. So we'll start off first with the design. You can actually see how light it is. So I'm holding this up with 2 fingers. So this is just under a kilogram, like 0.99 kg. That's just under 2 pounds. It is 10.99 millimeters. That's probably dictated by some of the ports that you see on the side. So you've got USB-C, Thunderbolt 4. You have a HDMI 2.1 slot that is full size, USB-A and headphone jack. And on the other side, you can see the other sides of the ports. And it's pretty much the same width, I would say, as that USB-A slot. So it is a super thin device, and it's made out of this magnesium aluminum alloy, and it's CNC'd completely out of one piece. And it also has this nano texture coating, which essentially makes it 5 times more wear resistant for like daily work life. Most work laptops find their ways into like work bag laptops. Your keys, your coins roll around with them. Your lunch money kind of falls in between, pens, whatever you might have in your work bag. Work laptops get like real daily use. They come with you to the office, they go back home, they go to different meeting rooms, they see lunches, they see dinners, they see the greasiest fingerprints. They have daily life like written all over them. So it's great to see a laptop that has such a good build, but it doesn't feel like weird and flimsy like a lot of other light laptops. For example, like the screen has some weird flex or wobble. This is honestly pretty sturdy. The hinge feels good. It's still light, but still feels really premium. It's really cool. And I would say like the biggest feature on the inside, not even from when I used to use like work laptops, even compared to like work laptops from like this year, last year, is the screen. So this actually has a 3K OLED panel, and it's not just like any OLED. They're using some of the best display tech. So it's a tandem OLED panel, which not only gives you better colors, a great viewing experience, but there's actually 40% lower power consumption, making it more efficient and will increase the longevity. You can essentially keep your work laptop for longer and won't need to upgrade. It also gets up to 1400 nits of peak HDR brightness. It's touchscreen. It's got a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hertz, but the best part I think for a work laptop, this has Corning Gorilla Glass, but also this matte coating. But surprisingly, for a matte display, like I'll kind of shift this around here, it doesn't look like super matte. Like obviously you can tell from some of the lights here that it isn't reflecting as much, but it still has some really nice color. Honestly, one of the better matte displays that I've seen. Like I would have loved to have this as like a work laptop back in the day. It looks so good. Like comparing this to my like older ThinkPad, I know that the design hasn't changed much. I would be very proud to like, whip this out in a coffee shop wherever I'm working. Usually with my work laptops, I'd be like, no one, look at me, this laptop is hideous. This thing looks really good. Even some of the design, say for like the keyboard, obviously you have a full chiclet style keyboard. It's really nice to type with. Even the trackpad is increased in size. Once again, rare for a work laptop, looks more like a higher end one. It even has haptics built in. Even that same chassis test when I'm typing out on the keyboard, even when I'm like resting my palms on the little palm rest here, there's no weird wiggle. It feels premium. It feels like a pro laptop. Once again, for something meant for work, it's solid. So around the rest of the laptop, you see the speakers on either side. These are actually 60 spatial speakers. It does have Dolby Atmos, and it also has an on and off button / fingerprint sensor right at the top right. And lastly, a 1080p webcam with a privacy switch. Once again, mostly just used for all of your Teams or your meeting calls. So the big thing on the inside here, it's updated with the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors. You can get this in a couple different specs, all the way from the Intel Core Ultra U5 to the Intel Core Ultra X9. This one is kind of sitting right in the middle, kind of near the upper spec. This one being the X7 with the 358H processor. It has 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage, and this is probably the spec that I would go for. So what's interesting with these new Intel chips, so I've tested out a couple laptops already with this. Surprisingly, one of the better upgrades coming to Intel. It's just more efficient, even with integrated graphics. So if you kind of scroll back, or rewind back to the intro where I said you couldn't game before on like integrated graphics chips, surprisingly, getting like decent frame rates on even some of the best games that you can download right now, which is really impressive. Just knocked down maybe performance to like 1080p, you can get by to game with this thing, like maybe not as like your main gaming rig, but if you're trying to just catch up on a couple casual games, totally usable. And even when you are pushing this machine to its max or really using it, it still is pretty silent, and that's thanks to its cooling system. It's called ExpertCool Pro. You can see the triple vent design on the back. It's got 2 fans that helps keep the CPU and SSD cool, and you can get up to 50 watts of performance in turbo mode. But I think more importantly for meetings, it also has something called whisper mode, which means it's almost completely silent. That works up to 15 watts. And I think one of the big things around like work laptops, sometimes overlooked by your own personal device, is security, where sometimes it really matters a lot. This has ASUS ExpertGuardian, which is its own security processing unit. It comes with some of the latest security standards like NIST. If you're not really too like tech savvy, if you're not like an IT specialist, those are really found in more commercial grade laptops. Cool to see them in something consumer grade like this. It kind of gives you that peace of mind that, you know, some of your important work stuff won't get tampered with or potentially hacked. So that is pretty cool. But all in all, super solid like work laptop. The biggest thing that you need for like a work laptop is for this to run in the office, for it to run sometimes untethered when you are taking it from meeting to meeting, is the battery life. So there's a 70 watt-hour battery in this, and coupled with the tandem OLED display, coupled with the efficiencies of the new Intel chip, coupled with the great cooling, you are getting around like the 24-hour battery mark for this before you have to charge it. Obviously, if you really are pushing it hard, that will change, but for regular like day-to-day usage within the office, some great battery life. And when you do need to charge it, it comes with a 90 watt fast charger, so you can get around like 50% in 30-ish minutes. Overall, like not a lot to fault about this really solid laptop. Like surprising, I thought this was more of like a pro laptop like feature set in something that is meant for work. Great build, great design, great screen, battery life, checks all the ports. It's portable, it's light. I'd say we're almost merging that prosumer laptop into something more meant for work, which is typically always viewed as ugly, old, didn't work well, and just kind of got the job done. This does that all, but still looks good. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and throwing it back to my old office days. Peace.